Oh, wow. This is insanely sleek. Wow, I'm impressed. Wow, this is the most beautiful wallet I have ever seen in my life. And I'm serious. This wallet is going to catch the attention. This is the most stylish wallet that I've ever reviewed on this channel. Let's unbox it. This is the SecuX V20 unboxing. Let's do this. So absolutely common sense. Make sure that the wallet is completely sealed and wrapped in plastic. It should have two seals. Should have one and another one here. Okay, beautiful. Let's continue. Unbox. Okay, here we go. Let's break the seal if I can. Here we go. Oh, and you can see that it's showing the void sign that the seal has been opened. Okay, and let's open the content. All right. Let's see what we got. Oh, wow. This is insanely sleek. Wow, I'm impressed. Wow. Okay, so this is aluminum. It is aluminum. This is the most beautiful wallet I have ever seen in my life. And I have reviewed a handful of wallets already, but this one, geez, what a beauty. This is going to catch some attention. I'm going to tell you right now, this wallet right here is going to catch some attention. Look at that. So right out of the bat, it has a USB port right here. So let me go ahead and remove the seal. Should be here. The moment I do that, absolutely, the seal will show that has been open. And yeah, probably I have to remove all this. Okay, so you have a USB port, USB-C interface, and this is how we interact with the SecuX wallet app and do firmware updates, etc. Okay, wow, this looks so cool. All right, so let's go ahead and see what else do we have on the package. And let's take a look at this. USB-C, of course, obviously. You need this to connect the wallet to your desktop or Mac. I'm just looking at it and wow, this looks so cool. Like I'm telling you, I'm just looking at it. This is impressive. So cool. And I got obviously the recovery sheets. If you don't know what this is for, okay, so when you first set up the wallet, you need to create your wallet and it's going to generate a seed phrase. And it's composed of a couple of words that you have to store manually by writing this sheet. This sheet must be stored in a very secure location. And the reason why is if you need to recover this wallet, let's say you lost the wallet, something happened to the wallet, you can recover this wallet by either grabbing another wallet, a new one, and then adding the seed phrase once again and importing the seed phrase. So by doing that, you have access back to your funds. So you have to make sure that you store this in a very safe location, okay? Because if someone has access to the seed phrase, they have access to your funds. Keep that in mind, okay? It comes with 2 recovery sheets. Okay, so when you create your wallet, you have to input a PIN that is going to get you access onto the wallet. This is very straightforward. And you have your get started guide, okay? So when you set up the device for the first time, you have to download the app. You have to do a software upgrade, make sure that the wallet is running the latest firmware, okay? This is metal, rubber-ish feel, like a surface with the SecuX logo. If we turn it on, we will be greeted with the welcome screen. So we hit get started, and now it's asking me to set up that personal PIN. So we are going to go ahead and add one. Absolutely, you're not going to see this, okay? So I just did the security PIN and it asked me for a name. So I set up a name for the wallet, okay? So now it's asking me setting up a new wallet or recovering an existing wallet. That's what I mentioned. When you create the wallet for the first time, you are going to be greeted with a security phrase, which is composed of 24 words that you have to save in a very secure location. Because if you need to replace your wallet, you will be looking at this recovery sheet so then you can recover from an existing wallet, okay? But in my case, I am going to set up a new wallet. So let's do it right here. Now it's telling me that it's going to generate 24 recovery words for my wallet, okay? So I'm going to continue. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I am going to write those words, okay? And by the way, I'm showing you the word, but I am going to obviously reset it back, all right? So you write all the words in this recovery sheet. So once I'm done writing all the words in the recovery sheet, I am going to proceed to confirm my recovery words. So I'm going to select the first word. Now I'm asked to input the second word and so forth. It's just going to continue doing it, okay? Until you end confirming all the recovery words, okay? Once everything has been confirmed, your wallet is going to be ready to be used. And there we go. We have the wallet ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to hit next. Okay, so now it's a matter of setting up your accounts. So once you set up the accounts, then you should be able to obtain the accounts in the wallet. And let's see what we got on the settings. Then basically set up your Bluetooth. So if we want to sync through Bluetooth, that's a good option. Seed phrase, anyways, about the PIN, name, and all that. Let's verify the dimensions. Let's see how thick is this wallet in comparison to passports. I got a couple of passports here. Let's put it side by side. I'm hoping to get a good angle of the thickness. It's about 3 passports. It's about as thick as 3 passports, okay? It's a decent travel size, not too bulky, okay? So now what I'm gonna do, I am going to head to the application and we will finish setting up the wallet, okay? Once I connect my wallet to my PC, I'm going to head to wallet.securextech.com. And since I'm connecting using USB cable, I'm gonna select USB cable. And now it's asking me, you want to connect to my wallet? And it's gonna show the wallet name, okay? So make sure that you confirm that's your wallet, select the wallet. And I'm just masking the name, but it's going to show your wallet. So you click on the wallet and you click connect, okay? Now you're gonna get the welcome screen, click continue, and there you go. So the first thing I wanna do is update the firmware on the wallet. So let me go ahead and execute the update. So the first thing it's gonna ask me is my 24 recovery words. Make sure that you have them. Make sure that the USB cable is properly connected. Click start firmware update. It's asking me to connect to the secure wallet bootloader. I'm gonna say yes. Connect, and the firmware upgrade has started. Let's just wait for that to complete. While we're waiting for the upgrade to complete, we can also see that the wallet is showing the upgrade progress. Okay, it has completed successfully. So now it's asking me to reconnect. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to unplug and replug the USB cable. It's going to ask to input the PIN. I'm going to do that. Once I enter the PIN, it's going to ask me to restart the site or the app. I'm gonna go ahead and click once again, USB cable, connect. And we already performed the MCU firmware. Now let's do the SE firmware. And we are going to click Start SE Update. And also the SE firmware is gonna show the progress on the wallet itself. It has completed, so I am going to reconnect. And when it says reconnect, it's basically wait for the wallet to complete the upgrade and input the PIN once again. Okay, after finishing the entire wallet firmware upgrade, now I'm going to plug the USB cable back, and we are going to once again select USB cable. I'm going to select my wallet, connect, and now I should have all the firmware up to date, which is amazing. And finally, let's use the wallet. Okay, so what we are doing is we are going to add an account. So if I'm going to be storing ERC20 tokens, I will be creating a wallet in an ERC20 token standard wallet, okay? So now we are going to be adding an account or a wallet. So depending on which type of coin am I going to be storing on the wallet, I will be selecting. So let's say I am going to be working with EVM compatible blockchains. Let's say I want to store ETH. I will be creating the account on the Ethereum mainnet, and I will be adding the account. I'm gonna call this net2dev. Create. And now if we take a look at the wallet itself, we will have our first account generated. If I want to make a wallet for another blockchain, I can select, let's say, for example, Solana. I can click Solana and I can go ahead and generate an account in the Solana blockchain. Same again, I can do net2dev and I can say Sol. And I will have not only an EVM based wallet, but also a Solana based wallet.